Hey everyone, welcome to guide on how to go live on TikTok without 1K followers. So, let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the end to find the Report a Problem option and tap on it. Next, tap on the Feed and Playback option and choose the Feed option. Now select the other option. Next, tap on Need More Help. Write a personal report that explains why you want to go live on TikTok. Submit the report and wait for TikTok to enable the live function for you. Please note that this method is not guaranteed to work, but it can improve your chances of going live. Once you're approved, you can start streaming live on TikTok. And there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.